So good afternoon everyone, this is the 2026 RFS Onslaught Tamsa. This is the MX-1 introducing Rayo Ipanag, Bornok Mangosong David Malgapo, Carl Reyes Licino, Terence Dapat, John Anthony de Bullet Cortez, and McLaren Villacorta. Bornok against the Young Guns ng Philippine Motocross. 15 seconds, board is up, and 5 seconds. And here we go! Ugin and take the whole shot. Here we go! So, Borns, Napat, John Anthony de Bullet, Carl Reyes, McLaren Villacorta. There we go! Oh, we're jumping the double by McLaren. Side by side, Mangosong, Napat, Ortez, Reyes, Villacorta, Malgapo, Ipanag. So here we go, guys. So Anton on third, McLaren on fifth, Borok, Napat, Cortez, Reyes, Villacorta, Malgapo, Ipanag. Oh, this is scheduled for 10 laps of racing. Tingnan natin guys kung aabutin pa ni Terence si Borns or tuluyan na magdudumina na para sa MX-1. So while ang Young Guns, the Young Guns, John Anthony de Bullet and McLaren from Honda Philippines, from Honda James Motor School, still on fifth, while Anton on third. Oh, sumemplang si Terence guys. There we go. Mangosong with the lead. Anton on second. Carl, McLaren. Go, 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 go. Malgapo, Ipanag. Tingnan natin guys kung makakahabol si Terence. The Lion with a comfortable lead. Anton second, Carl Reyes on third, McLaren on fourth, Dabo on fifth, Ipanag on sixth. So dikit-dikit lang guys between Anton, Carl and McLaren. While Borns, relax lang guys yung sakay. Andito yung mga yung pressure sa mga bata. From Honda Philippines, McLaren na Anton. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. So nagkakaroon na ng gap guys between number 2, number 3, number 4 sa 5 and 6. Push! Push! So nagdidikit-dikit guys. 16-year-old, 17-year-old, 20-year-old, 20-year-old, 16-year-old. Oh, Terence guys, nag-struggle. There we go, from Ducati Philippines, Borns, from Honda Philippines, from Honda James Motor School. So we have a side-to-side battle for fifth, David Malgapo, Rayo Ipanag. Go, go, go! So, we have a battle for fifth. So, Dalayan with a comfortable lead. Tignan nyo guys, relax na relax lang. Ang hari ng Philippine Motocross. While nandyan yung pressure sa second, third, and fourth. Dahil dikit-dikit lang sila. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Yan guys, yung apat na yan, yan ang mga future ng Philippine Motocross. Anton, Carl, McLaren, and Rayo Ipanag, David Malgabo, yan lima na yan. So let's see. While yung hari guys, one of the greatest rider of all time in Philippine Motocross, the Lion, a multi rider of the year, a decade of dominance. Inyong nakikita, relax na relax lang yun sa kanya. While yung second, third, and fourth, nandyan yung pressure. So Carl lumalapit kay Anton and McLaren. Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Tingnan nyo guys, McLaren. Katatapos lang ng laban sa Novice Open Enduro. After ng laro, ayan, sumalang agad siya sa MX1. So magandang ano yun guys. Oh, here we go. We have a side-to-side battle. Anton, Carl, McLaren. Here we go. Yan ang mga future ng Philippine Motocross. Anton, both are and McLaren, both are sponsored by Honda Philippines, Honda James Motor School. Tingnan nyo guys, relax na relax lang ang Dalayan. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Yan ang aming Jet Lawrence guys and Joshi Boda. Here we go, we have a three-way battle for second. Wow, napakaganda ng laban guys. Dayangans, Cortez, Reyes, Villacorta. Yan tatlo na yan guys. Nagpangabot sa Mini 85 yan. Pero ngayon, andito sa MX1. Go! Last 2! Go! 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 Yang tatlo na yan guys, nagpangabot sa Mini 85 yan. Ngayon, andyan na sila sa MX1. MX1, pag sinabi mo MX1 guys, is the pro class. As you can see, still dikit-dikit sila. Here we go. Anton, Carl. Oh, namatay si McLaren. Oh, nagka-problema si McLaren guys. Go, go, go. Oh, namatay si McLaren doon guys. Kaya medyo nagka-distansya. This is the last 2 laps. Force with a comfortable lead. Anton on second, Carl on third, McLaren on fourth. Wow, one more, one more. So lumalapit na naman si Mac. Sayang guys, namantayan si Mac dun sa may after ng rhythm section. But ngayon, lumalapit kay Carl. Yan dalawa na yan guys, between Carl and McLaren dito sa Luzon. Kapag yan dalawa naglalaban guys, kahit mga pro talagang nanonood dahil yung labanan ng dalawa. The champion for the MX1, the Lion. Second, Anton. Third, Carl. Fourth, McLaren. Good job, good job. So napakaganda ng sakay ng aming dalawa. At the age of 16, 17 on 5th, Ipanag 6, Dabo 7, Napat. So mamaya guys tayo sa MX2, okay?